We out taking a walk
Oh, Lord.
in the forest.
Oh, Lord.
So I have here with me, I have Shannon. Where you at, baby?
Right here.
Gabriel. Where you at, little girl? Look. Well, and we have Dad. We're taking a walk. We just left the cabin. We had a little cabin fever, so we had to get out.
Y'all had cabin fever. Y'all just got back.
Yeah, shit, sir.
Gabe, who all had cabin
So just look at the forest.
Look at that pipe.
And you want to watch that shit, Gabe?
We used to do that a long time ago.
Where?
You ever see that black pipe running clogged up? Man, Gabe was gonna go down there and watch
I didn't get anybody, did it?
You need to flip that corner.
So after this, we're gonna go cook us something to eat, and then we're going swimming
I ought to swim before we eat.
and play a little.
This damn place.
And we're gonna play a little putt putt.
Who's gonna pay $5 to pay for
And we're going to we're gonna take a boat ride.
Look, it's the ice cream cake.
And oh yeah, then we gotta eat our ice cream cake. We didn't eat it yesterday. So we're gonna cut that.
Mommy,
Hey.
the boat's got changed.
Hmm?
We can't ride it today.
We can't ride it today. Oh. Well, we gotta do something about that.
We got money.
Okay, over here. Is that what the boats are?
Yeah, there's a boat right there.
And they got
Okay, we're gonna walk over there.
chains on it.
Yeah, we got money. We can get this boat.
Can't unlock it.
Whatever you and mama don't want, daddy gonna do. Y'all sure y'all going this way? You alright, Shannon?
Can I step over there?
Yeah, but can Shannon say, "Guys, what did I tell you about that?"
You can go around over here.
Keep putting that thing on your neck. Catch a piece of wire. Good. I gotta help my sister-in-law.
Huh?
I had to help my sister-in-law. She might have fell and rolled. They just leaving, Shannon.
Come on.
I'll make it. Y'all go ahead.
You hear that, don't you, Mariah?
You what?
I'm going to make it. Y'all
gonna
go
make
ahead. Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There you go.
Where we go?
Yeah, mess with Trudy.
Did that dog go?
Mariah, look. They go playground.
So we're gonna come out later and take us a boat ride. I'm looking forward to
I
that.
pay for it. See what I mean? Man, them damn track cans ran. They just leave track here. Look at how they leave the grill.
Look, that's not your job, so keep walking. Come on.
Big old piece of meat on there. I know a piece of meat in that damn room. We ain't got no room for it. I'm gonna have to run to the plug and get the room for it. I'm gonna have to wrap that grill with room for you. Okay? You sure? Hey, Quick. Quick.
Huh?
Check on your sister back here. She breathing hard.
Come on, we gotta get it together.
Go play with the thing with Mariah.
You good? So this is what we came to last night.
See, if you want to, we can cook out right now.
No, I'm not gonna be hauling everything here.
Ooh, my booty.
I went, am I getting you? Am I getting you?
I don't think so.
I tried to turn it around, but I couldn't. I'm gonna go check this out.
Watch out for snake down there, baby.
Hey, look at that dirty water.
Hmm?
Nah, it ain't dirty, baby. It's just when those catfish and stuff and stirred up the mud at the bottom again, buddy. It'll clear up. The fishes in there making mud. I ain't got nothing to work.
It's hot.
Quick, did you bring you something to get in the water?
No, I'm not getting in the water.
No, baby, we're gonna go on the other side of the boat.
I'm going to sit on the sideline. Come here, baby.
Your butt back up here.
Come here.
Okay.
Come here.
Now, we can't get
Come here.
we gotta wait till we get there.
What you want to do? You want to swim?
Mhm.
You know how to swim?
My swimming clothes back at the cabin.
Okay.